standard. Let us continue with our lesson number first of history, for which we worked up till 5 videos. So this will be my 6th video for our lesson number 1. Now in this video we'll be discussing about these two topics. First one is surveys become important. सर्वे करना, that is कि कोई नॉलेज है लेकिन उस नॉलेज को और ज़्यादा मजबूत बनाना. ओके, लेट्स सपोज इफ वी गेट सम न्यूज़, तो वो न्यूज़ को और ज़्यादा कंफर्म करने के लिए हम ज़्यादा खोज करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज सर्वेज. ओके, देन ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड डू नॉट टेल अस. क्या है जो ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स से हमें पता नहीं चलता. ओके, टू थिंग्स. नाउ इफ वी डू फर्स्ट वन, सर्वेज बिकम इम्पोर्टेंट. टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सर्वेइंग ऑल्सो बिकम कॉमन अंडर द कॉलोनियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. The British believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered. जिस कंट्री में रूल करना है वो कंट्री को पहले अच्छे से जान लो. दिस इज व्हाट ब्रिटिशर्स बिलीव्ड. सो दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग सर्वे. वो कंट्री में अलग अलग एरियाज में जाकर देखने लगे हाउ पीपल आर लिविंग एंड व्हाट इज देयर इनकम सोर्स एंड विच एरिया कैन गिव अस मोर इनकम. सो वो अलग अलग सर्वे करने लगे. By the early 19th century, detailed survey were being carried out to map the entire country. In the villages, revenue surveys were conducted. कि villages वाले लोग जो हैं वो कितना टैक्स पे करते हैं, कितनी उनकी इनकम है, वो सब सर्वे होने लगा. Britishers started getting information about that. Okay, then the effort was to know the topography, the soil quality, the flora, the fauna, that is forest areas, okay, the local histories and the cropping pattern. As I told कि कौन से एरिया से क्या ग्रो कर सकते हैं. अगर फॉरेस्ट है तो फॉरेस्ट में से हमें क्या मिल सकता है. सो हर एक चीज़ का इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करना स्टार्ट किया ब्रिटिशर्स ने. ओके, नाउ ऑल द फैक्ट्स सीन एज नेसेसरी टू नो अबाउट टू एडमिनिस्टर द रीजन. फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ 19th century, census operations were held every 10 years. These prepared detailed record of numbers of people in all the provinces of India. दैट इज अब लोगों के बारे में भी सर्वे होने लगा. हर 10 साल के बाद सर्वे होता कि कौन से विलेज में कितने लोग हैं. ओके, देन फर्दर दीज प्रिपेयर डिटेल रिकॉर्ड. ओके, नाउ नोटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन कास्ट, रिलीजन एंड ऑक्यूपेशन. सो हर एक चीज़ का सर्वे होना शुरू हो गया. कौन से विलेज, इन विच विलेज, हाउ मैनी पीपल आर लिविंग, and of which caste, which community, which religion they belong to. Each and everything started being written by Britishers. Now there were many other surveys, that is botanical surveys. Botanical, we can tell types of trees. Then zoological surveys, that is types of animals which are available in India, which were available in India. Then archaeological surveys, that is architectural, because इंडिया में जो हिस्ट्री है, राजा महाराजाज एंड पैलेसेस, इट्स सो अट्रैक्टिव एंड सो इंटरेस्टिंग. सो हर एक चीज़ की हिस्ट्री ब्रिटिशर्स जानने लगे. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल सर्वेज एंड फॉरेस्ट सर्वेज. सो ऑल दीज सर्वेज, अलग अलग सर्वेज होने लगे. ओके, देन एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल, वी कैन टेल द वे ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस एंड ऑल. किस तरह से लोग इनकम कर रहे थे, बिजनेस कर रहे थे. ओके, देन सो हर एक तरह के सर्वे होना शुरू हो गया बाय ब्रिटिशर्स. दे स्टार्टेड गैदरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सो मैनी देयर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वाज व्हाट ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड डू नॉट टेल्स अस. क्या है जो हमें नहीं पता चलता ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड से? सी, बिफोर वी बिगिन दिस आई कैन टेल यू, हमें ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड से ये पता तो चल सकता है कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने कौन से रूल्स बनाए, विच रूल्स ब्रिटिशर्स मेड, और विच एक्शन ब्रिटिशर्स डिड, और विच ब्रिटिशर वर अपॉइंटेड एज गवर्नर जनरल. ओके, देन हाउ मच income they were having, how much taxes they were collected from different villages. Then so many things we can come to know from administrative work, that is written work. ऑफिस में जो काम होता, रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करने का, बहुत कुछ पता चलता. लेकिन हाउ पीपल सफर्ड इन ब्रिटिश रूल, वो चीज ब्रिटिशर्स के रिकॉर्ड में नहीं थी. ओके, how people suffered from British rule, understood? How Britishers made people of India as a slave, that thing was not included. Okay, either people were happy, people were sad, people were in favor of Britishers or no. This thing was not recorded in Britishers record. Britisher का lifestyle recorded, but Indians का lifestyle during British rule was not recorded in record. Okay, let us read. From this vast corpus of records we can get to know a lot, but we must remember that these are official records. They tell us what the official thought, what they were interested in, and what they wished to preserve for prosperity. अपनी इनकम ज़्यादा गेन करने के लिए वो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे थे, everything we can come to know by these records. These records do not always help us to understand what other people in the country felt and what lay behind their action. Britishers कोई भी एक्शन लेते तो इंडियंस वो एक्शन को किस तरह फॉलो करते या इंडियंस का क्या रिएक्शन होता, that no one comes to know by this administrative record. Then for what we need to look elsewhere, when we begin to search for these other sources, we find them in plenty. Though they were more difficult to get than official records, we have diaries of people, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies of important personalities, and popular booklets that were sold in the local bazaars. As printing spread, newspapers were published and issues were debated. In public, leaders and reformers wrote to spread their ideas. Poets and novelists wrote to express their feelings. So क्या होने लगा कि ऑफिस में से हमें ब्रिटिश लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में पता चलता, बट नॉट रिएक्शन ऑफ इंडियंस. लेकिन हमें ऑफिस का रिकॉर्ड इजीली मिल गया, दैट इज हमें मतलब हिस्टोरियंस को. Historians got record of office easily, but it became very difficult when they got certain evidences like लोगों की कुछ डायरीज मिलना या नॉवेलिस्ट के उनके जो नॉवेल्स वगैरह मिलना या कुछ रिटन वर्क में मिलना किसी कॉमन पब्लिक का, तो वो रीड करना और उनमें से उनका लाइफस्टाइल इमेजिन करना, दैट पार्ट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिस्टोरियंस. All these sources, however, were produced by those who were literate. From these, we will not be able to understand how history was experienced and lived by the tribals and the peasants, the workers in the mines or the poor on the streets. Getting to know their lives is a more difficult task. See, ये डायरीज मिलना, न्यूज़पेपर में कोई अपना आर्टिकल प्रिंट करवाएगा, ये वही लोग कर सकते थे, those who were literate, those who can read and write. But what about those poor people, those who were working in mines, those who were working on daily wages, those who were not at all literate, they were illiterate. Okay, अनपढ़ थे, उनको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता था, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ नहीं लिखा, तो उन लोगों के बारे में जानना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था हिस्टोरियंस के लिए. Yet This can be done if we make a little bit of effort. When you read this book, you will see how this can be done. ऐसा भी historians ने, इन लोगों के lifestyle के बारे में भी historians ने पता किया है. All the thing we will go through this book, then we will come to know about the lifestyle of people, poor people or rich people. Okay? Now, this was finally your lesson number 1 of history. In this lesson, today we finished these 2 pages. So I will put these 2 pages also on PDF. You don't have to write these 2 pages, but I will give you question answers which you have to write for this lesson in your notebook. Okay? So notebook pages, writing work PDF you will get with these 2 pages. That notebook pages you have to note down in your SS notebook. Okay? Again I am repeating, you have to do 1 SS notebook only, in which you are supposed to write history, geography and civics all together. Okay? So this is first lesson of history. You have to write on top of the page history. Okay everyone? Now this was your first lesson, question answers and all PDF I will give you. Okay? Now this video and the next video, okay, that is today you got this video in your lecture. Next video, that is tomorrow, which video of 8th standard SS will be uploaded, will be the same video which you are watching today. Why same? Because you have to do writing work, and as I do in my class, I give specially 2 days, 1 extra day to do writing work. So the same thing, tomorrow's also I will be giving you the lecture so that you can complete your writing work by seeing the PDF. You simply have to copy down in your history notebook. Okay? So see that you do well and you complete your notebook. So till tomorrow we will not work with our new lesson of SS. From Monday onwards we will start new lesson of SS. Till this, see that you complete your writing work of history lesson number 1. Thank you.